Guess who's black in the house and a year older? It's Quentin Ware, the fashion doll, back with another doll review. Today we are reviewing a Barbie Color Reveal, a small version, stunting. Yes. Before we get into that, I want to model my new hoodie. Stunning. You can find them in the link, and I will put it in the description and on my about page on my Etsy. Get you one, honey, in the Barbie font. Yes. And also, I wanted to show this off. I got this from Target to put my little Barbie accessories in. Like I have a vest in here from a Barbie Extra. I have a Starbucks coffee cup. Yes, I thought this was cute and the appropriate color. Just wanted to show this off. I think this was like $3 or $5 at Target. I'm gonna get my Barbie storage area together and display. Okay, so let's get into the color reveal. I've never opened one of these before, but I've seen one open on YouTube, so I'm excited. But let's crack her open. My birthday was real cute. Thank y'all for really watching my new videos. I am really getting views. I have a video that's almost at 400 views in this moment, so that is stunning to me. Okay, once you take the wrapper off, it's clear. I already warmed up some water because I know I'm gonna have to put it in water. But let's open this up. This is the doll, clearly. Ooh. Okay. So first we get a little poster. Let's look at the poster. Okay, it shows everyone in the series. I think this is a blind reveal. I don't think I'll know, because I couldn't tell from the wrapper. And then the other side has instructions. It's basically just saying, take the doll out of the package, put it in water, it'll reveal, you open the other things, you can add some hair, so we're gonna get into it. I'm excited. So while we're opening this, I had a lovely birthday. It was very outdoorsy. Oh. Well, never mind. You know right away. I thought that the face would be covered. I'm sorry, I should have did that part on camera, but here she is. Okay, so I think this girl, so she has the blue hair, and this is gonna change color. Maybe it's gonna change color, who knows? But let's pour the hot water in here. I'm gonna put this in here. And I have like a glass charger on the table, so if I get any splashing. Okay, and I do not have enough of the hot water, so I bought a water bottle because I'm a Virgo. And I'm prepared. Amen. I'm gonna put the body in first. So not submerged, so she's almost fully submerged. Ooh, you can see it already. See that how water worked it out. I knew what I was doing. Okay, while she is percolating. Ooh. I love this. Also, y'all let me know how this lighting is. I'm back in my dining room at the dining table, but I got a little light situation. So let me know how this is. I think it's better. Okay, let's open this one. Okay, I don't know if this is a purse, but it looks like a seashell, I guess. Okay, set that to the side. I'm gonna do these need to go on water too. Oh, it's cotton candy. That's what it is. It's cotton candy. And I think it may go in water as well. And here's this one. Oh, wait. I don't put it in water. Because that's why it has the X over it. But this one, we put in water. Reading is fundamental. I'm screaming. This is her little weave ponytail. That is hilarious. Here's this one. Oh, do you like this noise? It's giving ASMR. Oh. If y'all would like to see pictures from my birthday, please follow me on Instagram at QBonchi or just search Quinton where I'll come up. Here are some rollerblades. Yes, it's giving the Barbie movie. I'm gonna set these to the side since they shouldn't be in water. And I guess this is our last one. Oh, okay, I was gonna say, where are the clothing items? So this is a little skirt, I believe. Oh, it is tiny. It's a little skirt and it's tie-dye. And I think that's the thing with these, they're like tie-dye girls. Yes, so yes, I think I do have the blue one that I said initially. Stunning. She is still percolating. Let's look. This is more blue. Her hair did change color. Oh, okay. That came out very easily. I thought you were supposed to get a sponge, but I don't have a sponge. And I opened up everything. Yes. Okay, we're gonna let her. Let's dump her some more. Yes, okay. That was really easy. So she is done. Her bangs went from, they're blonde now. I think if I put her in cold water, they will be blue. And I might be nasty. I have a plant on my dining table. I might stick her in that water to see the hair change color. Y'all want to see that? Let's try it really quick. It's nasty, but it's for the fame, for the applause. Do, 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 do. That's probably not actually cold, it's room temperature, so it's probably not gonna change. Oh, it did look like it was. I'll try it later. Let's snap on her ponytail. And if you look at her, I guess, is she supposed to be Skipper or Stacy? She's cute, her face is cute. She has a hole in the back for her ponytail. And then her little bodysuit has unicorns on it. So I guess that is her thing, unicorn. Okay. Getting a little water on my table, but that's fine. Here she is with her ponytail on. And it's just on here with a rubber band, child. Nothing special. she is dripping. Okay, let's put on the skirt. Okay, here she is with the skirt on. The skirt is cute and it's not too short. This ponytail is shedding and I'm not even doing anything. I'm gonna end up cutting some of this hair when I'm done. Look at this water. Okay, and let's put on her roller skates. Okay, she looks cute actually. That's her with the skates. Yes, selling the runway, eating the runway, serving the runway. Yes. Okay. I didn't talk about the articulation. Get not bend her at the elbow, just at the shoulder. And that's all we get, honey. You can't even turn that. No. And then the legs just bend at the hip. No knee, no ankle. Very basic. Now I know she is little, hopefully y'all can see good. I'm trying to put the cotton candy in her hand. I guess that's all she wrote. Yeah, she's skating, honey. She giving blow. Hello, hello. We are back. We had a brief intermission. My boyfriend is here in my office and he came out. So if you hear that in the video, I do apologize. But it's okay. It was low-key a blessing because I put our girl in some cold water and her bangs turned pink. So I got to do that while I was off camera. Stunning. And if I'm talking a little low in this video, that is why. Because I am working and so is he. Catch, because YouTube is a job. And because it is a job, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. I do appreciate it. I'm just getting her back dressed. Okay. I think I kind of like her better with the pink bangs, to be honest. And then I dried this out. I was going to put her in it. This designer that I follow, Salehi Brinberry, he had some shoes that he designed in like a beaker. And I was like, oh, that's a cool idea. And I wouldn't display her, but I would keep, oh, maybe I can. Hold on. I'm just going to put her in here. And I thought that would be kind of cool because it's given science project anyway. Oh, okay. I had to get her to stand up, but I actually can keep her in here. Okay, I had to figure out how to close this so she could stand up straight, but I think I'm gonna store her in here. That's funny to me. And I like lime green. And not like I think it's funny for children or anything to be in cages. Definitely not. We're not Republicans over here. But I don't know, it's just funny. It's giving science project. Let's try it one more time. Ooh. You don't know why it's so hard to get her. Just stay. I'm gonna figure that out later. But thank you for watching the color reveal, unboxing, and review. What I give her is stunning. She's cute. She'll get a cute. Not tacky, she's just cute. And I can see little kids enjoying her. Maybe I'll find an adult color reveal, or not adult, but a full-size color reveal to review and unbox. But thank you all for watching. You know what I want to do with her? She's gonna go in here. She is the princess of the Barbie accessories. So she will man that for me. And I'm gonna use this for storage. Thank you all for watching. I will have another unboxing and review soon. I got a Bratz doll for my birthday, and we will be unboxing her. But see you all soon. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And if you would also like to get stunning, you can buy one of these hoodies or a t-shirt on my Etsy. Thank you very much. Toodles.